Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I clean my microwave. A microwave is necessary in a kitchen. So, in order to help us heat our food safely, we have to clean it.
Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think.
I'm taking out the plate, then clean the interior with a microwave cleaner by wiping everything, then shined it with a clean rag. I really like to clean it this way because it's so easy, no time consuming, gives it a nice look, shines and odorizes. If your microwave had a rough day, instead of the microfiber cloth, just use a double-sided sponge that will help get rid of any extra gunk.
Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Knowing how to use a microwave and what can go into it is important for safe and healthy eating. There are certain items and products which are not meant to be put in the microwave. Aluminium foil, eggs, styrofoam containers, plastic bags, paper takeout boxes, grapes, stainless steel mugs, broccoli, sauce without a cover, plastic storage containers, raisins, frozen meat, dried hot peppers. All these things can start a fire, smoke, explode, damage the microwave, contaminate your food, emit toxic fumes, chemicals, destroy the nutrients.
But I want you close, ooh, closer than before, and no one knows, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, never hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, closer than before, and no one knows, that
I put back the plate, wipe the exterior with a glass cleaner, and my microwave is sparkling clean.
that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, close. before. But I want you close, ooh, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, ooh, closer than before.
I hope this video was helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and stick around. You can hit that notification bell and it will notify you every single time I upload a new video. See you next time. Bye!